Hello, and a very warm welcome, everyone. I am absolutely thrilled to have you here with us for this explainer. Today, we're diving into something deeply fascinating. We're going to be exploring the unseen and honestly, often completely unspoken psychological barriers in relationships. You know, we spend so much time talking about communication in our everyday lives, right? But what happens when the most intimate parts of our relationships are just shrouded in silence? Today, we're unpacking the hidden roots of intimacy. We'll look directly at the societal conditioning that shapes our desires and see why breaking free from those invisible chains is absolutely essential for both your mental well-being and a fulfilling relationship.
So, why does so many women hesitate to keep the lights on or feel just completely paralyzed at the mere thought of trying new things in the bedroom? If you're a guy watching this, you might have felt a deep sense of frustration or confusion about this at some point. You might honestly wonder why your partner is so hesitant to just let go and be wild. It's an incredibly common frustration, and I want to validate that right from the start. Your feelings make complete sense. But to truly understand why this happens, we have to look way beyond the bedroom. We have to look at how the mind has been molded from the very beginning.
Section 1. The Weight of Childhood Conditioning. Okay, let's dive into this.
Now, what's really interesting about this is how early the programming starts. The hesitancy we see in adult relationships, it doesn't just appear out of nowhere. It's carefully, even if unconsciously, programmed into us from a super young age. Think about it. Historically, boys are encouraged to play rough sports, right? Cricket, football. They get the freedom to run, to jump, to be loud, and to express all that physical energy outwardly. Society completely permits this freedom. But meanwhile, girls, they're typically handed dolls. They're told to play house, to be quiet, nurturing, and restrained. They are subtly yet constantly taught to suppress their inner desires and just conform to this much more restricted physical and emotional box. So the mind is literally trained to hold back.
You know, that early training, it creates a massive mental block later in life. It breeds this persistent, nagging fear of judgment. Even in the total safety of her own marriage, surrounded by a partner she trusts completely, a woman might be totally paralyzed by the thought, what will my partner think of me if I ask for this? Because she was never given the freedom to be openly expressive as a kid, she naturally feels she can't be open or wild as an adult. She fears that the exact same judgment society holds is going to be reflected right in the eyes of her life partner.
Section 2. The Unspoken Bedroom Desires.
Now, the tragic irony in all of this is that these desires absolutely exist. The conditioning hasn't erased what women want. It's simply forced it all into hiding. These are very real, totally normal desires that many women hold but are just too conditioned to ask for. Things like wanting to keep the lights on to feel seen and desired, exploring new and wild fantasies, longing for passionate, deep kisses, or specifically desiring direct clitoral stimulation, that friction for ultimate pleasure. The source material points out quite clinically that women actually want these exact things. They might even explore them on their own. But the cultural shame is just so heavy that communicating these needs to a partner feels totally impossible. So they wait in silence, hoping their partner will somehow just magically guess what they want.
Section 3. The Danger of Duty over Pleasure. Let's move to this and see how it builds up. Because maintaining the silence has some really severe, long-lasting consequences for a relationship. Consider this incredibly powerful quote straight from our source material. After childbirth, bedroom life can completely end, turning into a Jehannam, or hell for couples. Wow. That is a seriously strong statement, but it perfectly captures the reality for so many people. When desires are never spoken, and intimacy lacks a solid foundation of open communication, major life events, like having a baby, can cause the entire physical relationship to just break down. Couples find themselves trapped by their own societal conditioning, unable to bridge that growing gap, and just living in a state of constant mutual frustration.
So the crucial point is that the framing of intimacy itself becomes the core issue here. When a woman is conditioned to suppress her own desires, she often begins to treat intimacy merely as a duty to satisfy her partner. She completely disconnects from the pursuit of her own sharam suk, which translates to ultimate pleasure. And look, when intimacy becomes a chore or an obligation rather than a shared pursuit of joy, it absolutely destroys the emotional and mental connection between partners. And the fallout isn't just emotional either. Hiding these feelings turns into a severe physical and mental health crisis for women. When a woman suppresses those inner desires and treats physical connection as just an obligation, it literally manifests in the body. Our source highlights that this suppression can lead to severe mood swings, intense irritability, and can even contribute to dangerous hormonal imbalances that make menopausal symptoms way worse. It is a stark reminder that our mental openness is intrinsically tied to our overall physical health. Section 4. Addressing male physical barriers.
Now, while a vast amount of intimacy relies on overcoming those mental barriers for women, a successful relationship obviously requires both partners to be operating at their physical best. For men experiencing issues with hardness or a lack of morning vitality, the source highlights an oral supplement called Bold for Men by Misters. Just objectively breaking down the ingredients here, it contains a patented herbal molecule called Lobeza, which is derived from mango and pomegranate extracts. The specific goal of this extract is to really improve blood flow throughout the body. On top of that, it features Safed Muesli, which is widely recognized as a natural testosterone booster. So by naturally increasing testosterone, it aims to target physical hardness and boost overall libido.
Alongside that oral supplement, they also offer a topical solution called Enhance for Men, also by Misters. Maintaining that clinical perspective here, this product is designed for direct application. It contains L-arginine, which is an amino acid known to help repair blood vessels, thereby maintaining proper blood flow right in the targeted area. It also utilizes clove oil, specifically included to reduce hypersensitivity. By gently reducing that sensitivity, the product is intended to help prolong the intimate experience, which gives both partners the actual time they need to connect.
And hey, for those who feel that physical performance might be a barrier in their own relationship, the source notes that you can explore these options further. If you're seeking to try these products out, you can utilize a special discount either by calling the provided number or by clicking the link in the description of the original content. Addressing the physical side is a totally valid and super important step for a lot of couples.
Section 5. Synchronizing Mind and Body.
And this brilliantly illustrates that physical solutions alone are never the complete answer, which brings us right back to the core message of our entire analysis today. True physical intimacy is fundamentally based on deep psychological and mental bonding. You know, you can have all the physical supplements in the world, but if a woman is still trapped by her childhood conditioning, if she is still treating the bedroom as a place of duty rather than a safe place to seek her own ultimate pleasure, no physical fix is going to repair a disconnected relationship. The mind and the body absolutely must be synchronized. Those psychological barriers have to be torn down through open, honest, and completely unashamed communication.
Which leaves us with this final, powerful question to think about. Are you ready to finally break the conditioning and share your inner desires with your partner today? Whether you are a male partner who needs to consciously create a totally judgment-free space, or a female partner who needs to finally speak up about what actually brings you joy, the power to change your relationship is entirely in your hands. It is time to stop letting society dictate what happens behind your closed doors. Thank you so much for joining me in this explainer today. Keep learning, keep communicating, and I'll see you next time.